So I am a certified fluid power specialist, as well as recently a certified fluid power accredited instructor with the International Fluid Power Society. I actually started in this trade as a student of this very same program 20 years ago. Once I started in the program, it was very vast. So the field itself is very unique, that it has multiple different specialties. So when you start, I didn't really know what I was getting into. And I really took to a lot of the fluid power topics when I started the program 20 years ago. And that's what drove my career since. From graduating through the co-op, I worked at a hydraulic piping company here in Hamilton. And after 15 or so years, I worked my way back into teaching at Mohawk College. It's my alma mater, if you will. It's where I started, and it's definitely where I wanted to come back. There was no other institution I would think of teaching at. The best part of my job is working with the students. Each and every day coming in, both in the classroom and in the shop, but not only getting to know them, but also watching them grow in their skilled trades, career paths, and seeing how, especially when a concept finally clicks, not only watching them graduate, but when they also message a year or two later just to tell me how they were doing or where they've progressed is extremely rewarding to me. Student success to me is building on your mistakes and building on your troubleshooting, as well as learning to grow and know that whenever you are working within the field itself, you'll never understand or know everything. The collaborative and the teamwork atmosphere that they end up building amongst themselves within the trade itself, because it's not a solo project or a solo field to get into. So you need to work with others and you need to be collaborative with others in order to be successful. So anybody that is willing to come in every day with an open mind and learn a new trade and learn a new skill, that goes a long way to being successful out in the field. Anybody is welcome in the skilled trades. People from all avenues, as long, again, as you're willing to put in the work and be creative in your problem solving. Proudest moment as a teacher is always a graduation, to stand on the stage and watching all of our now colleagues coming across as graduates, entering in and seeing the smiles and where they started from and how they've arrived at the graduation ceremony. And that one's always a nice touch for me every year.